Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make adorable and simple cotton stitch pattern. It's making leg stitch in broomstick technique, but in this video you will see how to make such stitch pattern without additional tools as ruler, pencil or pen. I like such kind stitch pattern and I always use it in freeform technique. Pattern consists of only 2 rows and has 3 stitches. Also, you will know how to make such stitches in different height. It is quick and easy. Please join me and you will see it is not difficult. Such crochet pattern can be perfect for dishcloth, blanket cover, beach cover up. Let's look at my example. They are different tall stitches. You can crochet the first one, the second or the third row of stitches. In total I did 6 rows. One of them is a stitch like double crochet or single crochet, and the second one is my adorable 3D stitch. You can alternate different tall stitches. Also, it can be like a main pattern or a trim. And for this pattern you need to have some tools. For work you need to have a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and a steel crochet hook 1.4 millimeters. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the foundation chain. For this pattern I choose purple color of yarn. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 32. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 3 stitches. 30 stitches are for main pattern plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. My foundation chain is ready. My foundation chain consists of 32 chains. Let's crochet row 1 of the main pattern. It is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. Make a chain. I insert the hook into the third chain stitch 1, 2, 3 away from the hook and single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Like this. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done row of single crochet stitches. Before I continue, I stop and we look at my ready example. So let's look at my first row of 3D stitches. So the height of the string will be the same as the height of my main stitch. In the first row it will be double crochet, then treble crochet and so on. You can crochet double crochet or single crochet and put little piece to this pattern. As I said before, I used these stitch patterns in freeform. In my case, I like to regulate the height of the stitch. Each 3D stitch consists of 3 stitches. So I move back to my current example. For the next row, I will crochet chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Then I turn the work. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up to the level of my chain, like this. In total it should be 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook except the last one, then pull through 2 loops. Make single crochet. I insert the hook in my top, make single crochet the second time, insert the hook into the same top and make the third single crochet. My 3D stitch is ready. So the height is the same. So let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook, make double crochet, yarn over the hook and make 3 strings in a row. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through except the last one, pull through 2 loops, then make 2 more single crochet. Let's look at my top. Make the second one and make the third one. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. My row is almost ready, so let's finish it together. Insert the hook into the last stitch. This is the third chain stitch. Make single crochet. My row is ready. Before we continue, I stop and will look at my ready example. You need to choose the height of these stitches. It will be the same like a first one, or you can do them higher. It depends of the level of your stitch. In the first case I did the level of the double crochet. Here I did a level of the treble crochet and double treble crochet. So in this case I use these 3 stitches, actually level of such stitches. You don't need to do more higher because it will not beautiful. So as you notice, such stitches is not difficult and you can make them without additional tools such as ruler, pencil or pen. So if you decide to make higher than my stitches, you should put ruler or pencil to get your example beautiful. To get, in this case, I remind you, I choose level of double crochet, treble crochet and double treble crochet stitches. Now I show you how to begin the next row and you will continue by yourself. It is going to be a row with a level of treble crochet, chain of 4 to bring up the yarn, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch and insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2 and 3. Then yarn over, pull through except the last one and pull through 2 loops. Then make 2 more single crochet. My toe stitch is ready, so my toe stitch is done. Then you should continue working by yourself. You should repeat as many times as you need and choose the level of the stitch. It is very simple and quick to make. Thank you so much for crocheting with me. This example consists of 6 rows and pattern has 2 rows and has 3 stitches. It's making like stitch in broomstick technique. So you have seen how to make such stitch pattern without additional tools such as ruler, pencil or pen. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below the video what you will get and join me in the next video tutorials. And also I remind you, for this example I choose 3 levels of stitches. In the first one I did level of the double crochet. In the second one it was level of treble crochet, and in the third one it was level of double treble crochet stitch. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye!